how to increase organic traffic to your website. So I'm going to explain you step by step, and it's a very simple thing where you can generate a lot of targeted traffic on your website. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first things first, as I always say, your website should look really good. So as you could see over here, I've created this website where it's all about yoga. Everything's good. This is the home page. Everything's over here. All the posts are here. Looks good. It's mobile responsive. And if you first thing is always that create a website which is very fast. Anyone could access it. It's easily readable and it looks really good. The pictures are really appealing because the first impression is always the last impression. So make sure it's always good. If you would like to learn about how to create a website from scratch, I've created a free course, so go and check it out. It's completely free. You'd be able to create a website in 5 minutes. So yeah, that's it. Once that's done, the second thing, again, write articles. Okay, but just don't write any articles. Write articles. Find a keyword which has low competition, high traffic. Okay, so always write an article where people are searching about it. Okay, so let's say you write an article about yoga for beginners. Everyone's searching about it. Okay, so, and if you just write how to do, like, if you just write something very basic, how am I doing yoga, no one would care about it. But if you write about how yoga for beginners and people are searching about it a lot, you'll get a lot of traffic on your website. Okay, so the best thing is first keyword research. Keyword research is very important. Okay, so if I just go on Google and type yoga, so I can't just make an article about yoga because there are a lot of high authority websites, really big websites, which are ranking for yoga, and for you it would take you ages to rank. Okay, so the smart way of doing it is find a low competition keyword with high traffic, which means there are very less websites which are ranking for that keyword, and then there's a lot of high traffic. Okay, so again, less competition, high traffic keywords. So to search for that keyword, all you have to do is just type in your keyword over here on Ubersuggest, or you can use Keyword Planner by Google. It's free. This one's not free. It's just 5 searches every day, so that's more than enough for you. As you could see, I've just typed yoga poses. I could see SG means SEO difficulty. Okay, higher the number, the more difficult it is to rank. Always choose the green ones. This one's like 3% yoga poses for back pain. So all these keywords are very easy to rank. So write article about these. Once you write an article, make sure it's around 1000 to 2000 words, rich with pictures. So as you could see over here, it has pictures and it is SEO optimized. Everything is SEO optimized. Okay, once all of these things are done, okay, then what you have to do is post on Pinterest. So the best way is come here, create a pin, put in your image, put in your title, put in your description, put in your destination link, which I've done over here. So everything's over here. This will directly go back to my website. So people search on Pinterest a lot. If you don't know Pinterest, it's the third social media website. So I think so first is Facebook, second is Instagram, and third is Pinterest. So people are searching a lot. The second is Facebook. So as you could see over here, search yoga, join all the groups. So one example which I did was I posted about my free course on web design business in this group, and even the spelling is wrong. Successful spelling is wrong. Still 93 comments. People are messaging, asking about it. So again, it's organic traffic. And then what you could do is put an email subscription box over here, capture their emails, start sending them weekly updates about your blog, build a connection, build your brand, and then you could start making more money online. A lot of ways are there. You can use Twitter, Reddit, Tumblr, a lot of things. So I think so that's it for today's video. If you would like to learn more about all these techniques on how you can make your website go viral and get crazy traffic, insane traffic, and no bullshit techniques, like very simple and anyone could do it and proven techniques, then you need to join my free course. Okay, so the link is down below. It's called Double Your Traffic. Join that free course. I think so I'll just show it to you over here. I can just, yeah, so this is it. Okay, double your traffic, bring thousands of visitors to your website every day. Just your name, your email. It's a free course. Go and check it out. And I think so I'm gonna keep it free for a limited time, then I'm gonna make it paid, because right now I'm just beta testing, getting more information, collecting more data, what you all really want. But these are proven techniques which you can go and try it out. And that's it for today's video. Yaur Khan signing off.